How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can cut an object in Meshmixer. Now, this is going to be extremely simple. For example, we have this bunny model that we are going to cut. So the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the side panel. And from here, you want to click or select edit. And then we have the plane cut option. So what we can do with this one is to actually cut onto this customized plane that we can simply customize. So you could use this different buttons in order to customize your plane. So in my case, I'm going to be cutting from the middle, which is going to be this one. So you could actually see the cut that it will perform. Now, after being happy with your customization, now you can, of course, you can also adjust the shape of the plane right here if you want to, but to make things easier, let's just proceed with this one. And for the cut type, you have multiple options, so if you want to keep them together, you can simply do so. And then we have the slice group option. Now in my case, I want to cut them together, but at the same time I still want them to stay on my editor or to the Meshmixer. So let's click on the accept option, and then we will have the ability to separate them together by heading over to edit, click on separate shells, and then we will be able to select each one from our cut model right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.